Haino hai lamsogo o YouTube channel lo haino hai nong ni bagui current affair to bi haika 5 March ni so jeng layout start khlaisinai jeng first question on nailainai when was the inaugural International Day for Disarmament and Non-Proliferation Awareness observed oboni answer ongkha on March 5th. Next question jeng thanglaihnai when did the Geological Survey of India celebrate its 174th Foundation Day? Only answer on 4 March 2024. Next question thalainai. Where is the 5-day exchange program for faculty members of foreign service academies within the of Bengal Initiative for Multisectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation? Member states held. Oboni answer Dhaka. Next question thalainai. RBI had approved the merger of which banks recently? Answer Fincare Small Finance Bank Limited and AU Small Finance Bank. Next, Moody's, the global credit rating agency, has raised GDP forecast 2024 for India to Oboni answer 6.8%. Next question thalainai. Which scheme had been launched by the CM of Uttar Pradesh to support young entrepreneurs? Oboni answer Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami Vikas Abhiyan. Omo short form MYUVA. Oboni tui sijak tongoro. This scheme offers interest-free loan to help young people to kick-start their business ventures. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of Bihar? Oboni answer Brajesh Mehrudra. Next question thalainai. Which institute has hosted the 4-day-long All India Research Scholars Summit 2024? Abono host khainai IIT Madras. Next question thalainai. Reserve Bank of India imposed immediate ban on which finance company from giving gold loans? Answer IIFL Finance. Next, name the scheme launched. Next question, name the scheme launched by Defence Minister of India, Sri Rajnath Singh in New Delhi on March 4, 2024 during Deep Connect 2024. Oboni answer Acting Development of Innovative Technologies with IDEX scheme. Full from Aditi. Next, who has etched a name in history as the first woman sniper of Border Security Force? Open answer Sub Inspector Suman Kumari. Next, recently which state government has decided to establish a state water information center? Obongkha State Odisha. So tinin bagay asuk nongnai je subscribe khairok khai di chini channel no follow khai tong di like khai di share khai di asuk hamai.